Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've been exploring ways to improve SEO rankings and generate traffic for my projects, and I recently stumbled upon something that could seriously change the game. It's called SerpSling, and I've been testing it out over the past few days. Let me tell you, this tool isn't just another gimmick. It's packed with features that actually deliver results. So, today, I want to share my thoughts and give you a full breakdown of what makes SerpSling such a powerful tool. Let's face it, ranking on the first page of Google or YouTube is getting harder by the day. The competition is fierce, and finding those golden keywords can feel like trying to win the lottery. That's where SerpSling comes in. It's a 3-in-1 web app designed to simplify the entire process. From finding profitable keywords to analyzing your competitors' strategies, SerpSling covers all the bases. The first thing I noticed about SerpSling is how user-friendly it is. The interface is clean and straightforward, making it easy for anyone, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, to jump in and start using it right away. The main feature that stood out to me was its ability to uncover low-competition, high-traffic keywords. You can type in a keyword, and within seconds, you'll get an accurate difficulty score, along with details like search volume, trends, and even a list of the top-ranking websites for that keyword. One of my favorite parts is the People Also Search For tool. This feature digs deeper into related keywords that people are actively searching for. But here's the best part. These keywords are often way easier to rank for. It's like having a treasure map to the low-hanging fruit that your competitors might be overlooking. And the app doesn't just stop there. It also suggests additional keyword opportunities. So you're never stuck wondering what to target next. As I was exploring more, I realized how much SerpSling simplifies the competitor analysis process. You can analyze any domain or URL and see exactly what keywords they're ranking for, how many backlinks they have, and even the anchor text they're using. It's like getting a behind-the-scenes look at your competitor's entire SEO strategy. This kind of insight is invaluable when you're trying to outsmart the competition. Another thing I really appreciated is how detailed the analysis is. For every keyword, SerpSling breaks down exactly what you need to rank for it, how many backlinks you'll need, how many of those backlinks should be do-follow, and even the number of referring domains. Having this data up front takes so much guesswork out of SEO. It's like having a personal SEO assistant guiding you step by step. Now, let's talk about how this translates into real results. Once you've identified the right keywords and analyzed the competition, you're ready to start your campaigns. Whether you're creating niche websites, YouTube videos, or both, SerpSling gives you the confidence to go all in. You know exactly what to target and how to rank, which means you can focus more on creating great content and less on figuring out the technical stuff. I also want to highlight how versatile SerpSling is. It doesn't matter if you're into affiliate marketing, local SEO, e-commerce, or even pay-per-call marketing. The tool adapts to whatever strategy you're using, making it a one-size-fits-all solution for driving traffic. And let's be honest, free targeted traffic is what every marketer dreams of. What really impressed me, though, is how fast the whole process is. From keyword research to competitor analysis, everything happens in a matter of minutes. I've used other tools in the past, and while they're helpful, they often take way too long or require multiple steps. SerpSling streamlines everything into a single dashboard, saving you time and energy. So, if you've been struggling with SEO or just want to take your rankings to the next level, I think SerpSling is definitely worth checking out. It's rare to find a tool that combines ease of use with such powerful features. For me, the real game changer is the confidence it gives you. When you have data this precise, you're not just guessing. You're making informed decisions that lead to real results. Thanks for hanging out with me today and letting me share my experience with SerpSling. If you've tried it or are thinking about giving it a shot, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I'll see you in the next video.